Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Crownfall Royal Bundle for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on View Store. So this is the overview of the Crownfall store. Now go to Bundles. As you can see, this bundle consists of 30 Candyworks Caravan Candy Sacks, 10 Candyworks Caravan Rerolls, and 20 MMR Double Down tokens. So to purchase this, all you need to do is click on this purchase button right here. And if you have enough funds in your wallet, there will be an option called Purchase or Buy Now right here instead of Add Funds. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!